translate files with Brian. Brian is a secure, multifunctional digital assistant for consultants and business professionals designed to help you at work. Brian translates entire Word, PowerPoint, Excel, and PDF documents into 100 languages while keeping your formatting simply via email and Microsoft Teams, 24/7, within 3 minutes. In this video, you will learn how it works so you can start saving your precious time immediately. Let's jump into it. Translating documents with Brian is so simple. Just write a regular email to Brian at askbrian.ai and ask him for your translation. Attach the file, send it out, and get a delicious coffee. You receive your translation within 3 minutes. Please check your spam folder if not. In PowerPoint, all slides will be translated into the target language while keeping all your formatting. Please adjust the text boxes so your texts fit in well again. The translation is great, but please check. In Teams, it is even faster. Your first option is to ask Brian for a translation directly by using your own words. Attach the file and send it out. In this example, Brian transforms a scanned PDF to Word and translates it to English within a few seconds. Just like that. The alternative way is to use the buttons Brian provides when you ask him for his skills. In this scenario, you need to click on Translate File, select the source and target language, and then to click the Ask Now button. Then, within 3 minutes, you can upload your document and send it to Brian. You can upload files up to 20 MB from OneDrive or from your computer. Why are users like to translate with Brian? First, it is extremely simple and fast. Second, we work with the best to be the best. Third, Brian supports all the formats you need at work. Fourth, big files support and customizable translations. Fifth, peace of mind, it's secure and GDPR compliant. And Brian helps you with many other recurring tasks as well. No matter if you are a consultant, if you work in a corporate, or as a standalone entrepreneur, Brian helps smart professionals 24/7 to succeed at work. For more information, check the comments below. Visit our website and start to save your precious time now.